So friends, let's start with today's Bhendi curry. Now here are the few ingredients. So here I have about 7 to 8 nice firm dark green bhendis. I've washed them really well and wiped them with a nice dry kitchen cloth. Now here I have a few curry leaves, a sprig of curry leaves, say about 8 to 10 curry leaves. Then we're going to need a few other ingredients. So here I have about 5 dried red chilies that I've just broken into halves, half a teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of raw rice, 1 teaspoon of urad dal and methi or fenugreek seeds each, 1 tablespoon of coriander or dhania, half a teaspoon of hing, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few kokum or amsul, and about 2 teaspoons of jaggery or gur, and just half a cup of freshly grated coconut. So now first I'm going to heat a pan and I'm going to dry roast all the spices that I just showed you. That is the chilies, the rice, the dhania seeds, the urad dal, and we're going to roast them for about a minute on a low to medium flame till you get this lovely aroma of all these spices roasting. Then let them roast really well and keep an eye on them, don't let them get burnt. So on a low to medium flame, stirring continuously, roast these. Now once they come to room temperature, we're going to grind this along with the fresh coconut, and I'm just going to add about 1/4 cup of water, and we're going to grind this to a very smooth paste, and we're also going to use the masala water. Now I'll just show you how to cut the bhendi or the okra. So you take off the top and the bottom, and always check your bhendi for little bit of worms or anything. Always check it. It should be very clean. And then we're just going to cut them into about an inch pieces like this, big size pieces. So take the top and the ends, both the ends off. Check the bhendi and then cut it up into 1-inch size pieces. So now once this is all done, we can start with our recipe. So here I've heated up a pan and I'm going to use only 1 teaspoon of oil for this recipe. It doesn't require a lot of oil, and we're just going to spread the oil all over the pan. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to first add the mustard seeds, also called the mori or rye. Once they begin to splutter, I'm going to add the asafoetida or the hing. Then I'm going to add my fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves always bring out a lovely flavor to any kind of curry. Mix all of this nicely on a low to medium flame. Mix everything really well. And now we're going to add the turmeric powder or the haldi powder. Again, mix everything nicely. And now we're going to add the cut up okra or bhendi. Again, mix it well with the bagar or the fodni. And now we're just going to add about half a cup of water because we want to cook the bhendi well. And we're going to add this amsul or kokum or sola as they call it in Konkani. And now we're going to cover and cook this on a low to medium flame till the bhendi is nice and soft and cooked. Now the reason we add this sola is because bhendi is a little bit on the slimy side. So you need to add some souring agent. Now if you don't have this amsula, you can add the water of tamarind also. Now we're going to add a masala paste, the ground masala. And we're also going to add the masala water and a little more water, about a 1/4 cup more of water, because it is a curry after all, so we need to have it on the runny consistency. So after adding the masala water, I just put a little bit of water in the bowl in which I had the ground masala paste and use that water because it is full of flavor, so we don't want to let go of any of the lovely flavor of this paste. Again, mix everything really well. And then we're just going to cover and cook it on a low to medium flame till this entire mixture comes to a boil. Now once it starts to bubble like this, we add some salt to taste. And I'm going to add the jaggery or the jaggery or the gur or the god, and or you can even substitute with sugar if you're not used to using jaggery in your food. You can also substitute it with sugar and mix everything. And again, we're just going to cook this on a low flame till everything comes together really well. And that's it, guys. This beautiful bhendi curry is all ready to enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try.
As well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.